Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and we want to add, 加油！加油！以前有教过加油啦哦，可是事实上呢，我在我们的日常生活当中呢，常常都要加东西。In our daily life, we actually ask for things to add. What do we add? We want more tea, more water when we eat, right? Or maybe 要这个上班族最喜欢的是什么？加薪，对不对？所以很多东西都要加，对不对？好，我们来教 how to say these words in Hakka. All right? When you want to add something. Okay, let's say you're at a restaurant. 在餐厅，我要加水。Give me more water.
加掉水。
加掉水，海陆腔。
加掉水。
加掉水 That's a different dialect, okay? 但在台湾常常是要加茶啦，对不对？
加掉茶。
哦，加掉茶 okay? And then 或许喝汤可以加汤的。
加掉糖。
加掉糖，不是被加掉哦。
没有。
是反而要加进去的哦，听起来很像台语，好像被加掉。加掉糖 That means give me more soup. How about for those who work? You have a boss and you want to ask for more money. You want a raise. 跟老板要加薪的话，怎么说？
老頭家。
老頭家 That means your boss.
要求。
要求 That means ask for.
加掉日結。
加掉日結。
日結。
日結。
就是月薪的意思啦。
Oh, 日結 That means your monthly pay. Okay, so what Alice just described right there is a sentence saying, I'm going to ask my boss for a raise. Oh, and then finally, you want to go to the gas station. You want to fill up your tank. 要把车子呢的油加滿。
老柴。
老柴就是車子是不是？Okay, drive your car.
加燃油。
加燃油。
就是加滿油。
Okay, that means fill her up. 加燃油。Okay, let's review these terms. I want to add more water. Give me more water. 加水。
加掉水。
加掉水。
海陸腔加掉水。
加掉水 That's a different dialect. Okay, let's say you want to add more tea. 要加茶。
加掉茶。
加掉茶，然後加點湯。Add more soup.
加掉糖。
加掉糖都要加掉，然後再來要加那個薪水。加掉什麼？日
結。
日結。加掉日結。And when you go to the gas station, you want to fill up your tank. 要油加滿。
加燃油。
加燃油。And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.